Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alice. So time really flies, doesn't it? It's already 2025. For the first episode of the new year, I want to create some artwork inspired by the theme of new life. So that's what today's drawing is all about. Now let's all relax and enjoy today's drawing journey together. This painting is actually a watercolor I did a few years ago. The focus of artwork is a newborn baby, surrounded by various plants and animals. First, I quickly sketch out the draft. When I do the sketch, I don't focus too much on the details, just the basic shapes. At this stage, it's not important if the shapes are perfect. Then I use this draft as a base, lower the opacity and start a new layer to outline it. While outlining, I also start filling in the baby's basic colors and shapes. This helps me get a feel of the character's position and colors, which will make it easier for me to figure out the plants and animals later. I spend more time on the person than the plants and animals, but as you probably know, I now live in Australia, where there are so many unique plants and animals. People here love hiking, and many hikes take several days. Some even camp outside under the stars. Just hearing about it makes me think it's a big challenge, because I'm really afraid of wild animals, and there are so many here. Well, I've done some short hikes, like the one in Hobart with my friends, where we went to a waterfall. It only took about 2 to 3 hours. But this year, I want to go to more distant places. These places are like natural oxygen baths and great for getting inspiration. I can get more materials for my creations from here. So, I want to go to a nearby place when the weather's nice and bring my sketchbook with me. Of course, I might not be able to go in the next few days because the temperature has hit 38 degrees centigrade. Wow, can you believe that? Finally, summer has arrived. For the little kids here, I choose a coffee color, and then I lower the opacity of the draft again to start drawing the facial features. I decided to draw the child sleeping with their eyes closed. It reminded me of when I was a kid. I always loved to sleep. Well, I think kids grow faster when they sleep a lot. When hiking, there's a good chance you will come across mushrooms. There are so many types of mushrooms here, but you really need to know how to tell them apart. The prettier the mushroom looks, the more careful you have to be, because many mushrooms are poisonous. They can look very similar to the non-poisonous ones. I had previously drawn a mushroom with colored pencils, and the colors were really beautiful. But I'm not sure if the mushroom is poisonous. If I get the chance, I'd like to observe it closely. But I probably wasn't there to pick it, because I can't tell whether it's safe. The safest option is to buy mushrooms from the supermarket or Sunday market. Once the main character was almost done, I started drawing the plants around him. I began with a little flower next to the baby's face, and then I added more flowers one by one. For coloring, I mostly use the color block drag technique in Procreate. So this means once I choose a color, I drag the color block into a closed area, and the color fills it quickly. It's a very fast and accurate way to color. Sometimes I also use the brush tool to apply color, which works better for detailed parts. Did you notice the screen recording on the left side? There were some issues when I was drawing the plants, and the screen frozen. I think it's because it was super hot that day, maybe around 37 or 38 degrees, and the heat affected the recording. Not only my iPad has issues, but my phone also displayed a warning, saying the temperature was too high, so I had to turn it off and let the devices cool down. This unexpected situation was a new experience for me. Actually, it's been over half a year since I posted my first YouTube video. And during that time, I've learned so much. From picking a theme, shooting, editing, to voiceover and design. I've been learning to do everything by myself. Along the way, I've received a lot of support and help. And I want to thank everyone for your encouragement and advice. Every suggestion and encouragement has helped me improve my videos and content. Also, the journey is long, but I'm so happy to have you all working with me. So, at the beginning of the new year, I want to share even more things. In the past, I would just quietly draw and design on my own, never thinking there could be such a great way to share my art world. I've met many other creators who are on the same path, and it feels so good to be part of this journey together. Wow, finish! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I will see you next week. Bye!